In our previous video, we guided you on how to articulate your personal goal using our platform. Today, we're taking it a step further. In this video, we'll unveil how you can leverage the power of AI to generate a 10-step plan, designed to guide you towards the realization of your goal. Stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey together. On your screen is the goal you've set using our platform. We've covered this in a previous video. Today, we're expanding on that, adding a new layer to your existing knowledge. Simply click on the Create 10 Steps Goal Plan button, and you'll be directed to the Stripe page. Your data privacy is our top priority. Rest assured, any information you provide on our platform is strictly confidential. We will always inform you if there's a possibility of third-party access. Without your explicit consent, we won't share your data with anyone. Your trust is important to us. On the Stripe platform, there's a minimal fee, akin to the cost of a McDonald's shake. This modest amount helps us cover the costs associated with utilizing AI technology. It's a small investment towards achieving your big goals. Let's proceed. If you have a promotional code, this is the perfect time to use it. Just enter it in the designated field and enjoy the benefits it brings. Once your payment is finalized on Stripe, you'll be seamlessly redirected back to our platform. As you'll notice, an animation is displayed while the AI is at work, generating your 10-step plan. In this video, we've kept the process in real time so you can get a sense of the actual duration it takes. This is transparency in action, giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how your personalized plan comes to life. Let's watch it unfold together. Occasionally, there might be a delay in the process, possibly due to issues like an unstable internet connection or your antivirus or firewall blocking some communication. But don't worry. Once your payment is completed, your AI plan is generated. If it doesn't appear instantly, just give it a few minutes. If needed, simply reload the page and your 10-step plan will be there waiting for you. Your progress is always saved and secured with us. Let's move forward. Now, what you're seeing is your personalized 10-step plan, meticulously crafted by our advanced GPT 4.0 AI. This isn't just a standard output, it's a bespoke plan, tailored to your unique goal, factoring in your past successes for motivation, the time frame you've set, and other specific points you've mentioned in your goal settings. It's more than just a plan, it's your roadmap to success, designed with precision, care, and a deep understanding of your aspirations. Let's dive in and explore it together. You're now able to print your goal, a process you're already familiar with from our previous video. However, there's an exciting addition this time. Your printed goal will now include the 10-step plan we've just created together. This means you'll have both your goal and the steps to achieve it, all in one place. Let's go ahead and print this comprehensive guide to your success. As a registered user on our platform, you have the convenience of accessing your goal and the 10-step plan anytime under My Goals. Feel free to edit your goal whenever you wish. Whether it's changing the goal type, adjusting details in the goal settings, or modifying the time frame, you have complete flexibility. If your changes are significant, it's a good idea to regenerate your 10-step plan to ensure it aligns with your updated goal. Remember, this platform is designed to adapt to your needs and help you succeed. You have the freedom to add new goals and manage multiple goals on your page. Come back as often as you like, make edits to your goals whenever you need. The only cost involved is for generating the 10-step AI plan. All other features and functionalities on our platform are completely free for you. It's your space to dream, plan, and achieve. We're constantly working on adding new features that will assist you in tracking your progress towards your goal. So, make sure to stay tuned for updates. Don't miss out on these exciting new tools designed to support your journey to success. Remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. Let's keep moving forward together.